Alright guys, as everybody knows, I've got my Etsy page up and going. I've tested it out and I really like it. Um, I was thinking that most of the views coming to my Etsy page is going to be from Facebook would be number one, and then my YouTube page being number two. Those two actually turned out to be the lowest on the group of where people are coming to find my product. Um, Actually, Google and Bing and those search engines are the ones driving almost all of the traffic to my Etsy page. Everything else has been, just the YouTube and Facebook, but that's such a low number. So Etsy's doing exactly what I hoped it to do for me. It's generating traffic. Now, in order for it to work for me, I got to work for it. So I've got to start developing product, which is what I want to do. I need to, in order to do this hobby, I need to make some money at it. So it's kind of a exchange here. So I do have one item up on the webpage right now, and that is this. This is top stub checkbook cover. It's called I call it my Sundance pattern. You guys will find out why in an upcoming video on my YouTube page. But so this is up for sale now for it's $35. Then what I just finished, and as you can tell, my bench is, well, you can kind of tell my bench is pretty dirty because I'm developing some product, and I'm also working at getting the product that I want to sell on the web page in stock. So I've done that. This is for a standard checkbook. So these two are going to go up there too. This one's just 30 bucks, and then this is 35 because of all the lacing and the work with the lacing. So these fit just a standard checkbook. And then these are going to go up there also. And then I'm going to, in a little bit, I still have to make it, but I have all the parts for it, but I'm making the laced version of a top stub checkbook also. That's going to be $45. Obviously reasoning because there's more leather developed into here than there, and I got my prices pretty well figured out. So just so you guys know, I have the top stub checkbook up. I'm going to have both styles of standard checkbook coming out, just the regular standard checkbook cover, and then with the lacing on it. Like I said though, $35. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm gonna be developing more product soon. I will have wallets also. As soon as I get this built, I go into I'm in the development stages of two different kinds of wallets. I'm in just a regular back pocket wallet. I carry one right now, and this one I've actually tooled and stuff. So it's got like a skull on it, and then the ship head for Ragnar Lothbrok's ship from Vikings. So I've got that. So it'll be this kind of style. Make sure that none of my personal information is showing here real quick. So, it'll just be this. It's got the cards that slide into it, so when you close it, the cards can't fall. So when you close it, the cards can't fall out of the wallet. Sorry, I was off camera there. So the cards can't fall out of the wallet, and then it's got, a little money aspect to it too. That'll be for my back pocket wallet. My front pocket wallet will be a lot smaller, and it's going to be more of a minimalist wallet where it just basically has a two slots for cards to go in, and you'll be able to stack cards in there. And then on the outside, it'll have a strap that goes around and then closes it up and holds it. And like I said, it's only going to be the thickness of about a credit card though. So it'll be like, here's my candy card. So here's my candy card, and so it'll be about this size, and then that'll fit in your front pocket or as a minimalist wallet if you carry it in a purse or off body or anything like that. So that's what I'm developing, and that's what's going up onto the Etsy page. These two items are going to go up tonight, just the standard checkbook items. Like I said, the lace and the just regular hand stitched. They go up tonight. When I get back, I'm going to be going somewhere. So I'm going to take the pictures tonight while everybody's sleeping. Doing a video though. Everybody can't be sleeping. So I'm doing the video now. Tonight these are going to go up. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. So I'm going to also put up my tooling video on YouTube for showing the tooling on the rifle sling. That's kind of what's going on right now. Developing product. Also getting product on the webpage. One item's not going to sell, so I got to start developing more, and I'm going to start creating an inventory too. As I start getting that done, I'm going to be able to develop more and more. I have a whole bunch of plans, but we're going to see where it goes from there. I also have some more plans after the rifle sling videos doing. I learned some really cool tips and tricks from several different people. So I'm going to get that on video, put that on, and then I'm going to show you how this pattern was developed and all that. That was really cool what happened there. But I'll leave that for those videos. Obviously, all that work's been done. So obviously... trying to think of the words to do it. I don't want to say too much about that, so I'm just going to leave it there. That video is going to come out after the rifle sling pattern though, but just a quick update. Hope you guys enjoy yourself. Check out my YouTube page, my Facebook page, or my Etsy page. I also put links to my email and all that there too, so have a great day, guys. Hope everything goes great for you. See ya.